the topic Asexual Reproduction in Plants Part 4, which is under Class 7, Subject Biology, Chapter number 12, Reproduction in Plants. In today's topic, that is Asexual Reproduction in Plants Part 4, we will learn about the process of fragmentation and regeneration. Fragmentation and regeneration. So today we will learn about the topic fragmentation and regeneration in an alga named Spirogyra. In the alga named Spirogyra, alga is the singular form of algae. Okay, so today we will learn about the process of fragmentation and regeneration in Spirogyra. So let us start. Fragmentation and regeneration. In certain algae such as Spirogyra, the long, ribbon-like or filamentous body breaks up into two or more parts called fragments. The breaking of a body into one or more parts is called fragmentation. Each fragment then grows into a new individual. Now students, you observe the diagram carefully. This diagram shows the process of fragmentation in Spirogyra, which is an alga. Alga is the singular form of algae. First, you can see the parent cell, the parent Spirogyra, which is a filamentous algae, and it looks like a long ribbon. The parent cell divides into fragments. You can see the two fragments. The parent cell divides into two fragments, and that fragment, from each of the fragment, again new cells starts growing. That is, the cells are regenerating. That is, the cells are regenerating. The process of regeneration is taking place. So first fragmentation is occurring, and then regeneration of the fragments is occurring. So the fragmentation and regeneration is occurring simultaneously. The ability of living things to repair themselves or grow the damaged part is called regeneration. For this type of reproduction, the plant or the organism should have good power of regeneration. So this is how fragmentation and regeneration takes place in the filamentous algae Spirogyra. have learned about the asexual reproduction, that is fragmentation and regeneration in the algae named Spirogyra. I hope students you have understood today's topic properly. So study properly at home, keep watching the videos and stay safe. Thank you.